Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto content, and today we are going to be talking about Ripple XRP and some crazy price targets, as you guys do see from the title of this video. But before we jump into this video, I just want to let you guys know that we are still having our buy one get one 25% off right now regarding all of these crypto posters that you see here. There will be a lot more added, but right now we only do have one XRP themed poster. This is this 589 poster. You guys can come on here and get it for $30 right now. Links will be down in the comments below as well as in the description. But with that being said, let's jump in to the juicy news. So first and foremost, big things are happening in the market. We are seeing a slight pullback on Bitcoin. I do expect this to kind of have some more pullbacks on Bitcoin down to about 37.3K, 37.5K, somewhere around there. We could even go lower down to like 36.3K. But XRP and most assets aren't actually moving too much with it. XRP is down to about 72.5 cents right now currently. Nothing too bad overall on that. Now, the thing about these pullbacks on Bitcoin are some of them are very healthy, and a lot of people will, how should I put it, overreact to them, right? So a lot of people will say, oh, well, we were going up and up and up, but we should have, hit this level, that level before we seen a major pullback, and now we didn't, so we're pretty much kind of back in a bear market, if you will. So I currently don't call this a bear market. It's honestly like, I would just say that it's kind of, a boring market, realistically. Like, the next moves are going to be incredible, especially in the coming months, right? I don't think that we're in a bear market. That's just my personal opinion. I won't call it that. I will say this, though. I mean, recently, yeah, it has been terrible in terms of price action, but I still don't think that we are in a bear market. That's just my opinion. I'm keeping to it. And yeah, I mean, with that being said, let's just jump into the overall news regarding this pullback as well. So I just want to let you guys know that I said, that we would see this pullback and we could get some juicy buys on most assets. XRP, if it hits 70 cents, I don't know. I mean, I might buy depending on the PA that plays out. But I just want to say, this is probably the last pullback that we'll most likely see until we actually really go much higher. And that will basically come in the next weeks to months. I think that we're ranging for a major push up. But I want to talk to you guys about this. So obviously, being an XRP holder, an XRP believer, you guys already know that I love XRP. It's one of my main holdings. I think it's actually my second largest bag, I want to say, next to HBAR. If you guys don't know about HBAR, you should definitely learn more about it. But I am very excited for what's coming, because we are seeing this major financial switch happening. And I do know a lot of people are claiming these major price targets. Obviously, be aware and kind of know where we're actually going to be going this bull run. And I think this bull run alone, yeah, sure, we could topple around $50. I'm more so settling at that $10 to $30 range. I just don't know. I mean, it's hard to tell where we're actually going to be going, but it looks like we could have some exciting news. So definitely watch this video to the end, because we're going to also be talking about settlements regarding the SEC case. So first and foremost, breaking news: the Bank for International Settlements, the BIS, has launched Project Nexus. Now, obviously, a lot of people were saying that this was, this is the killer for XRP. This is basically, going to say, hey, now it's finished, right? XRP's done. It got replaced by Nexus. This is the BIS's, overall, project. So they're gonna obviously use this over XRP, and we already kind of dumbed it down, right? We said that Project Nexus is being built with UPI and NPCI, which both utilize Ripple technology and also XRP. So technically, Project Nexus could very well just be another name for XRP, and or just be built on the XRP ledger. Now we do see here, which aims to build a global retail payments network on top of existing instant payment systems, IPS, operated by central banks, targeting cross-border payments in 60 seconds. Heating up, right? And again, in this article, obviously it pretty much just says the same thing, right? But when we go back and kind of look into this and kind of see the ties between this and XRP and what XRP is trying to become and the overall use case for it, I think it's a high probability that this is all revolving around XRP and the XRP ledger with RippleNet. RippleNet plays a huge key part in this as well. I know a lot of people will say, oh, they're using RippleNet, not XRP. Well, they're actually using both. Talked about it with the ODL service. I'm not going to go over it more because a lot of people are probably just like, Nick, please stop repeating yourselves with the ODL service. Trust me, I know, guys. I repeat it a lot, but a lot of people just seem to not understand how big the ODL service actually is. But we also see this Sologenic ecosystem, tokenized trade, earn, and spend built on the XRP ledger by a solo core team. This white paper explains why the XRP ledger was chosen and a project to watch. Guys, look at this. So this is consisting of 5 main components that together facilitate the process of on-demand tokenization. So ODT, I guess that's a new use case, of non-blockchain based assets and trading against cryptocurrencies. These components are Sologenic Trading Panel, Brokerage Gateway, XRP Ledger Native DEX, which is Decentralized Exchange, XRP Ledger, and the Open SDK Suite. So look at this, guys. This is crazy to actually look at. I'm very interested to see this really go live. I mean, this is really cool to see. We also see Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering is going to be implemented as well. So very interesting. I think that this is great. Now, here is why it was chosen. Here's the key components. So censorship-resistant transaction processing, fast and efficient consensus algorithm, responsible software governance, secure adaptable cryptography, modern features for smart contracts, and we see on-ledger decentralized exchange. So even when we talk about this, right, we even see down here, it is crucial to understand that Ripple is working with more than 200 financial institutions from 40 different countries, which is a clear indicator of its growing prowess in the payments industry. Some of the leading global financial institutions such as American Express, PNC, SBI, Remit, and MoneyGram are using Ripple's payment network, RippleNet, for international transactions. Guys, this is seriously no joke, though. Like, this is actually an incredible project to be coming to the XRP ledger, and who knows? I mean, this is really going to ramp up that utility aspect as well once this is fully live, because I think that this is great. I think that this is an incredible feature. I think that it, when you take into accountability all of these reasons as well, it really kind of proves to you how big the XRP ledger will be used and how big it is overall. Now, I just want to let you guys know, this is not my price target. This is not my price prediction either. It is somebody who is posting something on Twitter. So please be aware of that. Now, we do see here the chosen one, XRP. Fed prepare for world launch XRP, third quarter 2024. XRP is given value of $17,500 as initial base value to cover 1.75 quadrillion in global financial market debt. The Fed, as the designated custodian, meets regularly with the Board of International Governors on annual valuation increases up to 2,500 per coin. Now, I just want to say, guys, okay, first and foremost, let's do a timeout quick. When I say price targets for XRP, even when I talked about $100 to $1,000 XRP, I think that is more so logical. I know a lot of people will continue to call for, $10,000 or whatever for XRP, and that's totally fine. That's totally fine if you guys want to wait until that point, but I'm not taking anything away from anybody. At $10,000, we're basically over, $100 trillion. We're actually at quadrillions, right? And I know that we're talking about, the global financial market debt, the $1.75 quadrillion market debt overall, and I get it, right? Now, I'm not too sure if $17,500 is too logical or so. I just don't know. I mean, I'm more so debating or betting on $100 to $1,000. I think $1,000 is possible, especially when we talk about the ODL service and we talk about the utility aspect behind XRP that will drive the value. $17,500 is a little bit of a stretch, and I'm not taking anything away from XRP and the overall utility behind it either. I'm just kind of thinking logically, and I'm not even talking about the market cap either. Like, the market cap doesn't really matter to me because we already talked about how market cap doesn't matter to an extent, especially considering, you know, when something gets a monetary value added to it. Like, this is talking about a monetary value. So this would be the value that the government puts on XRP. That's the value at which XRP will be traded at or be worth by government standards. So who knows? I mean, $17,500 per coin. I could see it considering the fact that now this is the only reason why I could see it, and please don't hate on me. This is not me spewing hopium because I don't think that we get to that price anytime soon. But I'm just saying, the only way that we could actually get to that price is if governments put that price tag on it to move more money, like David Schwartz said, right? XRP needs to be worth more because, you know, who wants to transact 1 million tokens for $1 million when they could just transact one token worth $1 million? So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, $17,500, there's no real logic behind this. It's almost just like a screenshot of something. Like, anybody could have wrote this or, you know, put this in here. But like I said, I'm more leaning towards $100 to $1,000, somewhere in that range. You know, we could even get to 589. I'm totally fine with 589 as well. Like, I think that the value behind XRP lies within the ODL service. And even if we, you know, go to XRP and we talk about, you know, a lot of people say circulating supply to, you know, market cap is absolutely ridiculous at $100 to $1,000. But I just don't think people realize how market cap actually works. Like, market cap doesn't mean that there is $33 billion invested into XRP. It just means that that's how much XRP is worth when we take the supply times the amount. So I don't know. I think that once we see massive transactions going over XRP, or I should say RippleNet utilizing XRP, I think that's when the true value of XRP will actually be unlocked, and that's when we could see, you know, a triple to 4-digit asset. $17,500, I don't know. I think that inflation would have to be astronomically high for us to get to that point. So I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. Let me know if you guys think that $17,500 is logical or it is probable. I'm curious to know your guys' thoughts on that as well. And if you guys did enjoy this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys do want more free content, you guys can follow me on Twitter. You guys can also join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that everybody has a great day or a great night wherever you guys are in this great world. This has been Nick. Peace out.